Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're gonna try to fix the refund failed error on Gumroad in 2026. Are you trying to issue a refund on Gumroad and seeing the refund failed error? This can be stressful, especially when a customer is waiting. A failed refund can damage trust and create unnecessary disputes. In today's video, I'll show you exactly why a refund fails on Gumroad and how to fix it step by step. So let's get into it and follow these few simple steps together. The first thing you want to do is to check the refund eligibility window. Gumroad only allows refunds within a specific time frame after purchase, so if the refund period has expired, you won't be able to process it normally. You can also contact the Gumroad support if it's a special case or arrange a manual alternative solution with the customer. You can also check your Gumroad balance. Now, Gumroad balance refunds are processed from your available balance. And if your balance is too low, funds have already been paid out, the refund may fail. So the solutions are to wait for new sales, add funds if needed, or contact the support for guidance. You can contact the support here just by scrolling down until you see the help section like this, and you can look for like your problems. For example, as we can see, the refund failed, issues with the refund, issuing a refund, and check this article. You can also verify the payment methods. Refunds can fail if the original payment method is no longer valid, the card was cancelled, the bank blocks the return, and in this case, ask the customer to contact their bank or contact the Gumroad support for manual resolution. You can also check for chargebacks, and if the buyer already opened a dispute, filed a chargeback, you may not be able to issue a refund manually. So check the transaction status carefully. And always refund quickly to avoid disputes. A refund failed usually happens because of balance issues, expired refund window, or payments method problems. Check your balance, verify your eligibility, and act quickly to maintain customer trust. And if you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.